Dogecoin can make you super rich in the heat of this very bull market. Look at this very 1 week chart. Market has been moving all the way to the upside. Not only that, I'm going to show you right here on coin bubbles. Look at this very point. Dogecoin 50% increase, okay, in less than 1 day, or let's say 24 hours. From this very point, I am very sure that Dogecoin is going to hit $1 by early next year. Latest by February next year, we should see Dogecoin hit that $1 mark right at this very point. I'm going to discuss Dogecoin and the reason why this very first meme token and the meme token with the highest market capitalization is going to do better, and this is going to make every other meme coin go crazy. All of this in this video, so pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content and educational videos. If you look at Dogecoin on coin market cap, look at it here. It is ranked number 6 coin by market capitalization, and its activity is 9.9k, okay, among other cryptocurrencies. And right now, in the past 1 day, that's 24 hours, it has done 50%. What an amazing increase. And if you look at the total supply, we have 146.7 billion Dogecoin in total. And the total supply for Dogecoin is equal to the circulating supply right at this very point, which means everything is in circulation right now. Do you think this is going to do $1? I'm very sure of that. Dogecoin is going to hit that $1 mark. Some person will be thinking hard right now. How do you mean this is going to hit $1? Because if Dogecoin hits $1, it means it's going to give us $146.7 billion in market capitalization. Is that possible? Yes, in this very bull market, I believe strongly that Dogecoin is going to hit $1 mark and above. So this is what we see from on-chain right now on CoinMarketCap. And if you go to coin bubbles, okay, among other 1 to 100 coins that is chosen out of right here, is that Dogecoin is the one that have one of the most highest increase in the last 24 hours, and is still moving all the way to the upside. If you look at it right here on this very chart, it's always moving all the way to the upside, and this is very important right now. So if you look at this very price action, market is moving upward. I am on the 1 week chart. Market move and break this very level. Look at it. Market move all the way to the upside with this very candle last week, and we break this very key important level of resistance. So this resistance level has been broken, and once I saw that, I was very sure that this week market is going to still increase all the way to the upside, and this increase is not going to pause anytime soon. Okay, you can see this increase next week and upper week approaching December before any little correction is going to come into the market. So expect the next target I am looking at this to be is 0.60 cents, okay, around this very area. That is my next target for Dogecoin, and this pump is going to continue, like I said, into next week and upper week. So this is what you need to pay attention to. This breakout is very significant because when the market dump all the way to the downside after the 2021 bull market, the first high that we see after that dump is this very area of 0.22, and after then market come back all the way to the downside to this very area, and right now market from here moving upward. So in 2 weeks time, last week and this week, market have shown a significant increase after Fed rate cut on Thursday, and this is what you must have to pay attention to. So if you are holding Doge, or if you've been holding Dogecoin for a very long time, this is the time to look at your coin increase in value, because it's going to drastically increase in value all the way to the upside. And this is what I am paying attention to right now on the 1 week chart Doge. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, the market is already at overbought condition, not a crossover yet. That is, we've not seen any crossover from this very point. And what I am looking at right now is, sometime in the bull markets, even though you see markets enter into overbought condition, that doesn't mean market is going to just come out of overbought condition and then market will just crash all the way to the downside. It does not work like that. Market can stay within this very zone of overbought condition for a very long time. You expecting market to retrace, market will never retrace, or you can just see very little insignificant retracement before market will continue to pump all the way to the upside again. So what you need to do right now is buy your favorite altcoin, because if Doge, which is the father or the mother of all meme token, is leading the race, what do you think is going to happen to all that meme token? They're going to pump all the way to the upside as well. And that is what I am paying attention to right now. The main purpose of this very video is that if Dogecoin, which is the first ever meme token, is pumping, that means there is going to be an aggressive pump in meme coming up all the way very, very soon. So grab your most favorite altcoin, and market is going to pump all the way to the upside with it very, very soon. So market is going to pump all the way to the upside on this very price action. And if you look at the MACD indicator, look at the way this very histogram is moving all the way to the upside with aggressive momentum. Aggressive momentum on the chart right here means that market have high capacity of moving all the way to the upside. Not only that, if you look at the MACD line and the signal line, there is a big dilation apart from each other, which means there is a very great intense momentum coming in right now all the way to the upside. And that is what you need to focus on right now, because the market is going to ride this race all the way to the upside. Pay attention to this, guys. This bull market is the most important bull market that you should never miss. Grab the most favorite altcoin that you know about and invest in it. Every other altcoin that have this very significant increase, for example, that is above, let's say, $200 million, is going to do well in the heat of the bull market. And don't just buy anyhow meme token. Buy meme token that is on at least 2 to 3 major exchanges. This is also a guarantee that the market or the meme coin is not just going to rock pull and crash all the way to the downside. And this is very important right now. So if you look at this and we go a little bit down to the 1-day chart, if you look at the 1-day chart right here, you see just today Dogecoin is making a huge increase all the way to the upside, and this increase have not stopped yet and is going to continue like this and till tomorrow. I'm looking at the market continue this, and this is what we're going to be seeing right now on this very chart. And market moving upward does not mean market is going to move upward like this forever. We will see retracement, that is very fine, and that is what we should also expect on the price action. Market move all the way from this very point all the way to this point, parabolic move. No doubt market is going to retrace, but don't expect that retracement to be very, very severe all the way to the upside. One of the things that you have to pay attention to is that we can see spikes, okay, in the market. Market can just spike down and move up immediately because there is severe intense pressure right now on the market. Everybody is seeking to buy and chasing all the BS away from the market, and this time around we're going to see very insignificant amount of BS in the market, and that is what you must have to pay attention to right now. And market is going to still move upward, so expect retracement, but don't consider that retracement to be aggressive. Just little retracement and market is going to continue upward. Buy your favorite meme token with at least $100 to $200 million in market capitalization. Not only that, it should be on 2 to 3 major exchanges, which is a sign that it's not going to just crash all the way back to the downside. This is one of the things that you must have to do as a takeaway from this very video. If you look at the stochastic RSI indicator on the 1-day chart, Dogecoin market is moving upward and is already in overbought condition. Not a crossover yet, but market can stay here for a very long time. I can assure you that before any retracement is going to come into the market to the downside. And not only that, if you look at the MACD indicator, a very big dilation between the MACD line and the signal line is happening right now, which means market have capacity of moving all the way to the upside. Not only that, look at the MACD histogram. MACD histogram is gaining momentum sequentially with aggressive pump all the way upward, which means market have capacity of still moving from here to the upside, as you can see on this very indicator. These are indications that market is going to pump hard all the way to the upside on Doge technically, and from what we are seeing on chain, on coin bubbles, and also on coin market cap. This is very important, guys. The most important thing is grab your favorite altcoin. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for watching.